Okay, so I'm back on the project that I actually completed yesterday. The customer came back this morning and picked them up, but when he got to the job site, he realized that two of those were supposed to be going the opposite way. So right now they're going like that, and two of these sticks are supposed to be like that. But the other two are supposed to be like this. This one and that piece over there is supposed to be going the opposite way. He did mention to me that it was his mess up, so I told him that I would have to charge him because I have to remove them and then I actually have to re-weld them again. So let me know in the comments what would y'all do. He did tell me that because it was his fault, he had to pay for it, not the company. I'll be honest with you, I felt bad about it, but I mean, I didn't charge him what I normally would charge. I didn't do that. But I did tell him that I would have to charge him something. So let me know in the comments, what would y'all do? What do y'all think about the situation? Not bad, huh? All right, so my job here is complete. Just waiting on the customer to come pick them up. It looks pretty even to me. Pretty lined up. I guess we just wait and see what else pop up. I'm not able to go nowhere right now, and I don't want to chance it and get stuck. But luckily, everybody's bringing me their stuff.